Right, Liverpool today.
Liverpool.
Liverpool. That's the spot there where Jay got his gold out of a cash box, and that there where Paul is, a little bit further on the other side of the bridge, was where Paul and Steve from Blackpool Magneteers did their magnet kiss. You got two magnets stuck together. I'll insert the clip.
The lips stuck together. Drop it down there. Yeah. Oh no, you fucking clown!
There we go, that's the clip here. Christmas clowns. I did a short on it as well, but there we go. That's what they did. So it were here, last time we were here was a couple of Christmases ago. So I should call him Dave then. Yeah, Dave's here, magnet fishing. Karen sat down watching him like usual. Alistair's here, Paul's here, obviously you've seen him. Neil's out today. What do you say now? Yeah, Alistair's had some good air finds, that's what I was originally going to say. Right, so yeah, let's fish here. Let's see what we've got. See what comes out. It's Liverpool, isn't it? So he's had a couple of little criminal finds over there. A couple of safe and a couple of one DVLA clamp. So yeah, let's see what we can get from here. I'm going to move along a bit. Had a nut, piece of bent rebar, and that lanyard thing we'll call it. It says Peter, you lost the lanyard. And that number on it there, SRC, whatever that is. I've got my gloves on because I'm not, so I'm not putting it up right. Yeah, little clip with a little lanyard on. Right, bring you back with some more stuff. Alright, I had a big pole, big scaffolding pole. Paul can cut that up for me. I'll give him the pleasure of cutting it for me. Scaff bar. Yes, fence. And then don't tell me what that is if I've not already found out and put it on the screen. Bolt it to the wall.
I think it's off some sort of
pole.
Jacking mechanism. I might be wrong.
I've seen one before, but
I can't think of
tap on it. Tap. Whatever. You want about that? Tap. Pumps what?
It's not to pressurise HGV's brakes is it, when they go down.
Don't know. I've got one of them anyway. And that's his. That big bar's his, I think. And put it in on the fucking way, has he? And it's got like a. I don't know. And then sockets on there. There's one. There's the socket. That big thing. That. Then a brake pad. A metal hat. Look at that. Metal hat. Isn't it pretty? A couple of rebars. They brake pads. Something to do with brakes, aren't they then? What was that now? That thing was magnetic as well. Getting shot down. Motor off, isn't it? A lock and a little spanner. Oh, sorry. Ratchet thing. Look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah. Oh yeah, that strap in there as well. Is that all I've had? Should have had something else. No, probably a couple of poles actually. I'm definitely not one of those tackle lamps. Never good enough. A load of rock too. Clumping across the oh. 3 or 4 scaff clamps there probably. One. Is that a cooking safe? Oh, that's not a scaff clamp. Oh. Move down to where there's a bench, so I'd have a go. And I've also had out a red piston thing. There you go, nut thing on there. The big, there we go. Don't know if it goes with that other red thing I got or not. It's cool though. Oh yeah, and that big still. Look at that. That's quite good, isn't it? Okay, yeah. Still magnet fishing in the same spot. Still.
Still doing it?
Still, get it. Oh, still. Oh god.
Crepe in a pancake.
That's disgusting. Not gonna watch his videos anymore. He farts and burps. Have you seen that? Have you seen that? Oh, have you seen that? Oh, look at that. Chain. Is a chain. I'm not calling it a gold chain because it's not a gold chain. Because hang on a minute. Stuck to my magnet, came off my magnet, and then Dave read that. It says stainless steel. Well, I can't zoom on this, can I? Yeah. So yeah, it's not gold, it's gold coloured. Because it sticks to a magnet. And it says stainless steel on it. Well, it looked nice on my magnet. And I went, oh, no, it's, yeah, it's stuck, so can't be. I mean, if it was in between something, and then didn't stick on my magnet when I put my magnet near it again, and I'd be happy, but oh, nearly gold, eh? Oh well. Sorry. Bugger. Nice lock. Oh, silver. We'll get the bottom of it, there we go. My camera works shoddy today. And a nice burner phone. Alice has not had one today, and I have. Na 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 na, bumhead. There you go, look at that. Sweet. That square piece is brand new. Got a bottle croppers. Wow, look at that. The reel. The bar. The scaff bar's one over there. Scaff bar there, little one with the feet. Scaff fan. Right. Another bar. Another scaff fan. Yeah.
Alright then.
Alright?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Yeah.
You alright?
Still hanging around?
Still hanging around. I've done that about 4 times already.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Still a good day though.
Still a good day. Still a good day. Right. Neil's still down there. Sorry. Right, I'll move away a bit. Right, anyway. It's getting late now. Well, it's not getting late, but we got a lot to tidy up. So, I hope I'm presentable. I got splashed a bit. So yeah, cheers for watching. Like and subscribe. I think a lot. Welsh Dragon Magnets as well. Seeing as Mol's not here, I'll
Molly's not here today.
yeah, she's not. She usually plugs. So.
Have you done this thing?
No. No. He's going to throw in now, watch this. And that's his anchor point there.
Yeah.
He's hoping that's still going to be there after he's thrown a bit. Anyway.
Hey, that'll be good as new next week.
Good as new next week, that apparently.
Fully reconditioned.
Fully reconditioned.
Oh, there needs a full card.
Still working.
Still working.
Oh. Yeah, there's loads in the bench, it's weird. Lots to tidy up, so I'm going to tidy up. I'm going to sign out now because I've got plenty of stuff for my video. So, one minute.
around that factory up there because I had a feeling in my water. Oh, look at that. Do these look familiar to you?
Section. Way up. Let's have a look.
Oh, they're them push plates that go on the inside. Oh yeah, we had them out of the thingy, didn't we? That, if you look, it's folded, so this has been cut off before they've started. Like we've got at Patrickcroft, yeah. Same things. That's what we was getting from Patrickcroft. It was, you know. It's some heavy gauge steel up there coming out as well. And files, triangular files and flat files. So I'm betting that factory up there
make kebab sticks.
Make kebab sticks.
Oh, fancy kebab now.
It's that one there. I was looking at the windows, and at the top there, if you look at the top of that factory down, you see them. It looks like the roof. It's not. It's another set of windows.
You know what they made?
Right.
Golf balls.
Golf balls.
They're golf balls.
Yeah. Right. Anyway.
Liverpool.
Smell you later.
That's what it'll be.
Yeah, I'm going now. Smell you later.